What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about sushi. Alright, so Sushiswap. What is this junk? Actually, no, it's pretty cool. I love Sushiswap. Guys, so Sushiswap, we're going to make this a quick video, but you can earn some juicy yields. But they did launch something that is pretty fire. They launched something called sake. Alright, so what's sake? Well, outside of being that it's Japanese wine, I think that's what it is. No, this is actual launch pad. No, I'm sorry, not sake, miso. But sake is the token that is first launched on miso. So miso is basically your quote-unquote launch pad. So this is like something like Polka Starter or DuckDAO. It's like any of those. It's a launch pad, and you can join into it. You need to have some sushi tokens, so do keep that in mind. You can swap your sushi tokens and buy some sake, or some miso, or yeah, no, sorry guys, it's sake. Sake is the token on miso, so you can buy some of this stuff. Lots of fun. So they basically incentivized and made a new use case for the token. Instead of being just governance, now you can do all kinds of stuff with it. Now, what do I like about Sushiswap? Well, first off, they have Ethereum, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Hiko, XDAI, Harmony, Avalanche, OKX. Guys, they got a lot of chains. They making it happen. Most of it's on Ethereum, though. They do have some stuff on Binance Smart Chain, so have some fun with it. I really like the Matic one because the gas fees are super, super cheap. But what's interesting about this is you can earn some juicy yields. Let me show you guys the yields while they're fetching our sushis. All right, so here are the different pools. You got Uni, DAI, Link, all kinds of stuff. So you guys can deposit different tokens. And how do you get these different tokens? Well, these are for lending. So basically you are going to lend out these tokens and you are going to earn some KMP. This one, same thing, KMP. This one is same exact thing. You're basically going to be earning interest and you're going to be earning LP tokens. So instead of just earning like, oh, you're going to earn sushi tokens or KMP tokens, you're going to earn the KMP tokens or the LP tokens that you deposited. So highly recommend you guys take a look at those different things and have some fun with it. Now what's cool about the sushi bar is what I like. This is where you can stake some sushi and you basically earn interest for staking your sushi. I like sushi. Now, we saw those lending things. You can lend out RAI and provide DAI as collateral. So you basically can get loans on Sushiswap as well. Wow, they got Rune on here as well. That's awesome. I like Rune. You can borrow tokens or you can lend them out. Borrowing is going to cost you some cash too. Lending is going to earn you some cash. So play around with it, guys. This is on the Ethereum chain. So do keep in mind, you guys, or ETH gas fees do pertain to you. So now you see those. Now we got the Benito box. Benito box is pretty cool as well. This is where you can borrow and lend, play around with it. Those are always fun to do. Or if you guys are wanting to provide liquidity for a low gas fee, you need to go on to Polygon. So we are going to switch the network, go on Polygon, and I will show you these. So this is super easy to do. I made a video on this as well. But you literally click any of the pools that you want and you say, yeah, I want to add liquidity. It automatically takes you to this page. You put in how much Doge and ETH you want to put in or whatever tokens you're wanting to provide liquidity for. You pay the transaction fee, which is fractions of a penny or fractions of a fraction of a penny, which are super cheap because it's on Matic. Once you get your LP tokens, you are going to take your LP tokens and come back to the yield, go to the pool, and deposit your SLP tokens by selecting max, stake, have fun. Now we're going to go back to ETH mainnet because ETH is fire. Alright, lastly, so now we're going to talk about the sushi token. So what is sushi used for? Well, first you can stake it and you can get X sushi and you can earn, currently it's like 14% interest. Yeah, 14.21. And that's as of yesterday, according to Sushi. Next, you can stack yields with Aave. So what you can do is you can go to Aave and stake into your X sushi and add collateral. So now you can take your X sushi that you just got, and now you can go straight over to Aave, and you can deposit the X sushi and then get AX sushi. So basically you're compounding more yields, earning an additional percentage. So That's also cool. And then this will be coming soon, is basically depositing into Bonito Box. Instead of having to automatically redeposit your tokens, it'll automatically do it for you. So it's an auto compounding thing. Anyways, guys, that is Sushi. Sushi is building and doing some cool, fun stuff. Highly recommend you guys take a look at them. We're going to go over the tokenomics real quick. They got a really good TVL. It's pretty sushi, not juicy. We'll say sushi right now, or saucy. Yeah, their TVL is saucy right now, 0.5 or 0.54% compared to the TVL. So what does that mean? Well, it means they have 2 times the market cap locked up into Sushiswap. So that's pretty bullish. So the TVL is currently at 4.084 billion, and the fully diluted is 3.258. So actually the fully diluted, it's still undervalued. The total tokens that they have are 250,000 is the max supply, or 250 million is the max. The total tokens in circulation are 169 million. All right, guys, highly recommend you guys take a look at Sushiswap. It's basically like your PancakeSwap or Uniswap. It's just a fork of Uniswap, actually, if you didn't know the history on it. The developer, he actually tried to pull a rug pull on everyone, and he basically rugged himself. Funny story, but Sushi definitely beat out what happened. Let me show you guys the chart to show you guys the results from the rug pull. You guys can see it like popped off, and then it was like, I'm running away with your money. And then it was like, not really, bro. You basically just rug pull yourself, but have fun with that. So cool history on Sushi. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash that the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. Proverbs chapter 27 verses 24. For riches do not endure forever, and a crown is not secure for all generations. That's important, guys. If you're on top now, it doesn't mean you're always going to be on top. If you're on the bottom, it doesn't mean you're always going to be on the bottom either. So, guys, you control your life. You need to change it. If you guys are wanting to change something, pray about it, learn about it, get it done. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.